The filters work. Oh, the screen foggy. Right. I'm going in and out on the throttle. No wiggle lines. The filter, the LC filter works. Oh, this is so nice. Alright. It just rained today, so I'm probably just going to do just the one pack. Oh, let me turn this way. Okay. Why is it bobbing though? That's probably a different thing. So if I go full throttle, it just... I don't know. But the camera is on point, no wiggle lines. I'll pull it in the notes. I bought it from Amazon. They're teeny tiny. I don't know if I should put up like maybe a picture of how the... Because I have three things. One is under the flight controller, so the Spektrum receiver, you're not going to be able to see it, but the Tiny Tank, Rush Tiny Tank transmitter, 350 milliwatts, is on top of the flight controller, and the LC filter that I just added, and it's tiny. It's like 6 millimeters by 10 or 11 millimeters, so it's tiny. I was able to... Oh, it looks so good. Finally, a clear, no wiggly lines, no squigglies, no... Even the signal, I have to try it out a little bit more, but even the signal looks cleaner. Not just the black lines, but I don't know if interference. It's not a regulator. The regulator is still from the flight controller. I'm just filtering the 5 volts or whatever the voltage is. I know it's 5 volts, but it does 5 to 50 volts or whatever the filter. So any voltage, whatever it has, it just cleans it with a bunch of capacitors and a coil. That's pretty much what it does. So I'll add it in the description. I'll probably take a picture and put it as a comment on this video. Nice. Alright, I'm leaving before it starts raining.